Dog, dug, dug. These words sound similar, but are you saying them right? Let's fix these tricky pronunciations together. Don't worry if these words have confused you before. English can be tricky, but mastering it is possible with a little practice. Think of how cool it'll be when you can say these words perfectly, without hesitating or second-guessing yourself. Small differences like these can change the meaning of a sentence, so let's get it right. First, dog. It's pronounced dag with an aw sound, like in I have a dog. Next, dug. This is d-i-g with a shorter sound, like in he dug a hole. Finally, dug. Same pronunciation as Doug. D-G, but it's a name, like Doug is my friend. Now, let's practice together. Dog. My dog loves to play. Doug. He dug a hole in the yard. Doug. Doug is coming over later. Small changes in pronunciation can make a big difference. Keep practicing and soon you'll master these tricky words. You're already doing great. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to She's Fluent English Academy for more tips on mastering tricky English words. Like, comment, and share.